everybody. Welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I'm sharing with you 5 holiday ornaments made with mostly Dollar Tree materials. These are so budget friendly and easy to make, so let's get started. First up is this reversible vintage Santa and holiday words ornament. I'll be using 2 napkins to decoupage onto the plain plastic ornament from the Dollar Tree. I first clean the surface of the ornament with an alcohol pad. Once it has dried, I apply 2 coats of chalk paint with a sponge pouncer. The paint is all dry now and we're ready to decoupage. I got these super cute holiday napkins from Etsy. I'll put the Etsy information in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. I just love this vintage Santa and these festive holiday words. They're perfect for this ornament. So I have pre-cut the vintage Santa to fit the ornament on one side. I've also cut out the words and holly berries I want to use for the reverse side. I'm using the DecoArt decoupage napkin glue here. These napkins have 3 layers. You want to separate them and use only the topmost layer to decoupage. Place the Santa where you want it and apply the glue with a brush. Start from the center and brush outward. I gently smooth out any bubbles with my finger here. After decoupaging the Santa, I am ready to add my 3 ho-ho-hos. This Santa is looking fabulous. Time to decoupage the other side. I will decoupage the holiday words and the holly berries here. Here's what it looks like after I've decoupaged all my words and other graphics like peppermint candy and gingerbread man. I love how cute and festive this turned out. I'm applying a water-based sealer to the entire ornament. Once the sealer has dried, I add a bow with baker's twine from the Dollar Tree and top it off with a gingham ribbon bow, also from the Dollar Tree. What an adorable reversible Santa ornament! Can you see that on your tree? For craft number 2, we'll be making another reversible ornament, this time using a Dollar Tree doorknob and wall shield. I'll be using one of the icons from the back of the popular Dollar Tree 2021 Farmers Market calendar, a Dollar Tree red truck gift tag, and a scrap piece of buffalo check fabric. I remove the adhesive backing of the wall shield and apply some Mod Podge to the front. Then I place the fabric on top, making small cuts along the border so I could fold in the fabric to achieve a clean edge. After both discs are covered with the fabric, I hot glue a piece of Dollar Tree lace ribbon in between the two wall shields to use as a hanger for my ornament. I use Mod Podge to attach the red truck gift tag to my ornament. I do the same for the Christmas tree tag. While the ornament is drying, I work on the embellishments. I take some pine, berries, pine cone, and Dollar Tree wire garland to create decorative details for my ornament. What a cute reversible ornament! You can personalize it how you like and customize it for someone special. To make this adorable stocking ornament, I'll be using a Dollar Tree stocking wood piece. To cover the ornament, I'm using a scrap piece of Dollar Tree baby fleece blanket. For the top of the stocking and liner, I am using this fleece material from Joann's, but you can use one of Dollar Tree's microfiber cloth as well. I cut out a piece of the fleece material in the shape of the stocking and hot glue it to the wood. Then I placed the wood piece on top of the fabric so I could see where to trim off the extras. I go ahead and make small cuts along the edge of the stocking so I could fold in the fabric and create a clean edge. I add hot glue along the edge as I pleat and fold. Be sure not to pull too tight because you want a smooth look and don't want to pinch the fabric. These hot pink finger protectors from the Dollar Tree sure come in handy as I press in the fabric along the edge. The stocking ornament is really taking shape. Now I glue on a piece of fleece on top of the stocking. Time to decorate with ribbons and embellishments. I use a pair of gloves from Dollar Tree's gift tags and later baker's twine to make a bow. I also cut out a piece of holiday paper to cover the work in the back. I love the transformation on this ornament. I think this little stocking is so cute and would make a great gift. Moving on to craft number 4, I'll be making this sweet Snowflake LED tea light candle ornament. All the materials for this craft are from the Dollar Tree: the LED tea lights, the DIY holiday wood stickers, and the farmhouse ribbon. First, I hot glue jute handles and a piece of ribbon onto the tea light. Then I hot glue 4 snowflakes to the sides of the tea light candle, creating a holder. And voila, it's that easy. You have a beautiful snowflake LED tea light ornament for the holidays. For our last craft, I'll be making this Christmas tree joy ornament. You'll need 6 of these Christmas tree DIY stickers. I hot glue a piece of jute rope in between the tree stickers. Then I use these letter stickers from Target Dollar Spot and spell out joy. I seal the stickers with a coat of Mod Podge. After it dries, I go ahead and decorate the ornament with some berries, bells, and greenery to complete the look. Well, there you have it. 5 super cute ornaments made from Dollar Tree materials. I hope you enjoyed this video and give these crafts a try. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.